Morning mga sis!
Special day sa mga mommies ngayon, lalo na sa mga may baby.
Nako, madami-dami yan.
Ay, marami
diba,
talaga.
diba sabi nga, araw-araw, 2 Pilipinong baby ang pinapanganak. Dami.
Dalawa lang?
Alam ko parang mas madami.
Parang mas madami.
Parang mas madami.
Pero wag tayo mag-focus sa problema ng populasyon.
Oo.
Dahil meron tayong mommy and baby shower.
O kasi ang buhay ng babae, punong-puno ng iba't ibang mga party at iba't ibang malalaking event. Kung magdadalaga ka, meron kang debut. Kung ikakasal ka, may bridal shower. Kung magkakaanak ka, meron kang baby shower. Tapos humihinto na dun.
Ganun ba?
Diba? Tapos invited din kayo sa kakaibang mga birthday ng mga kung sino-sino, mga friends, mga baby. Naku,
mga kaibang celebration na ito ng bonding at mother and child. Yung mga lahat ng klaseng bonding maisip nyo kasama ang magulang at anak.
tama-tama, invited din ang mga tao na manood sa atin ng isang kakaibang celebration.
O sige na, umpisahan na natin. Ang una nating makakasama ang may bahay ni Gary Estrada, Bernadette Allison Estrada.
Hi, good morning. And this is our baby girl, Icy, but her full name is Gariel Bernice. It's a combination of both our names, Gary and Bernadette.
Oo nga naman.
Hi, Icy.
Hi! Tapos sumagot, no? Sabihin niya, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Okay.
Ito naman, husband niya si business magnate Fred Elizalde, prima ballerina Lisa Makuha Elizalde.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. Ang aking 2 anak na kasama ngayon na kanina pa sinisira ang set. Si Michelle Elizabeth or Missy Elizalde, 4 years old. And Manuel Cesar or Mac Elizalde, and he just turned 2 years old.
Ay, Diyos ko po. At ang maladiwatang misis ni Richard Gomez, Lucy Torres Gomez.
Good morning, Jelly Janice. This is my 2-year-old daughter, Juliana Maria Beatriz. Juliana after her maternal grandmother, Maria, because she was born on Mama Mary's birthday, and Beatriz, which means bearer of happiness and blessings.
Uy, talaga nag-research si Lucy.
Oo naman.
At ang dami ng name, 3 O kayo, alam nyo ba kung anong pangalan na ang ibig sabihing masarap kausap sa umaga? Ano pa? Eddie! Ang balita ko, Lisa, Missy can draw. Ano pa ang hilig niyang i-draw? Ayun na, nag-drawing na siya.
Ayan,
parang andain na.
Actually, habang naghihintay ng shoot ngayon, drawing niya itong nandito. Ang tawag niya dyan, Boracay.
Wow! Missy, why is that Boracay? Why is that Boracay? Why is your drawing Boracay?
That's not Boracay.
Okay, that's not Boracay. Okay,
Ay,
it's
hindi
not.
pala. What is it, Missy? What's your drawing?
The other one is Boracay. I'm making now. Mac is drawing a lizard, and I'm trying to draw a sun.
Oh, she's trying to draw a sun. And that's Boracay pala.
Oo, tama pala tayo.
Tama.
Okay.
Yung dinodrawing niya, yung hindi Boracay.
Hindi nga
Akala
naman
ko mali
Boracay
ako.
Mali,
Sorry,
mali
Missy.
tayo doon. At ano pa ba?
At si Mac, he dances already?
No, Mac loves music.
Ah,
And
okay.
alam niyo yung kanyang nuno-nunohan lolo is a very famous composer, si Federico Elizalde. And every time he hears music, he dances, he claps. Gustong-gusto niya, mahilig kumanta. Si Missy mahilig mag-swimming, mag-drawing. And,
So hindi siya magiging ballerina muna.
Actually, hindi ko ini-encourage na mag-ballet ang mga bata hanggang mga 6 years old.
Really?
But would you
Pwede ba-
teach her? Would you?
If she
I
wants.
would if she wanted. Yeah, sure.
Ang galing.
Pwede pa pa-sample ng dancing naman ni Mac? Pa-sample naman.
Kailangan may music.
Music,
Music.
please. Ayan, nagsa-dance.
Ayan na, okay.
Dancing and drawing.
Yes.
Now, that is talent. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ay, ang sarap. Sumisipa pa ng balloon. Okay. Time to rest.
You're so galing, Mac!
Yay, Mac!
Yay!
Dead matay ni Mac.
Oo. Care niya sa atin.
Oo.
Ito naman si Mami Bernadette. Nakakatayo na si Icy. Ilang months na si Icy?
Going 6.
Almost 6 months.
Magsi-6 months pa lang pala.
Nagsistand na siya.
She likes standing up sa playpen niya.
Pasample
Pero I'll
nga.
try kung kaya niya.
Oh,
Ako,
kaya-
patay.
Ay, oo, hindi playpen ito
Baby Icy. In a very orange pajama.
Pink and orange. Ayan. Ay, naaaliw siya sa sa
Sa
hair.
colors.
Sa color. Ayan standing na siya. Okay, yay!
Yay!
Lucy, ano na ba mga activities ni Juliana?
Si Juliana, mahilig rin siya sa sa music. Pag nakakarinig ng tugtog,
Ay, parang tatay niya.
sumasayaw. Parang tatay niya. Kaya lang, eto, shy. So,
Oo
she's
nga.
normally
Hindi, pero
not this
meron akong
quiet,
alam na
eh.
talent ni Juliana. Na
Ano?
pinagmamayabang ni Goma sa akin.
Ano?
Sinira niya yung cellphone ni Goma.
Oo, 2 cellphone na. Sinira. I remember, a little over a year old lang siya, pumasok ako sa room, nanonood siya ng Santana, tapos gumaganyan-ganyan siya.
Ganyan siya.
Rocker yung anak ko.
Asus. Alam niyo po ba si Juliana? Kasi birthday niya nung di ba?
Nung Sunday.
September
Nung
8.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Ay,
So,
so, we have a
every-
surprise for her.
Oh, ayan. Sana sinindihan natin yung kandila. Jaran! Look!
Hey, Juliana.
Oh, you blow your cake, ha?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, but no candle blowing.
Yeah, Ayan.
Okay, we'll sing happy birthday.
Hindi ako makasabay. Taas.
Birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow your candle. Blow, blow. Darling, blow. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Yay! And because it's your birthday, may message si Goma for Juliana.
Daddy is on the phone.
Daddy.
Daddy, what is your message to Juliana,
My
Daddy?
message to Juliana, I'm very happy and very proud to be your father. I wish and I want you to grow up to be a good girl. And I really want you to be friendly to people. And I want to give you the best school possible for you, to give you a good education. And I want you to grow up to be like your mom, who's very religious, who's very prayerful. And to Lucy, thank you so much for being a wonderful wife, very understanding wife, and a very caring one too. Thank you for taking good care of me, and thank you for taking good care of Juliana. And I wish we could be together for hundreds of years.
Over.
And
Patay ka na
hopefully in
nun.
the future we'll have more kids. We'll have a bigger family. Not just you, me, and Juliana. Sana marami pa in the future. And I'm very proud of you for so many reasons. And so you take care while I'm here in China. Take care of Juliana as well. I love you so much. Bye.
Who's that, Juliana? Who's that? Who's that?
Say thank
Juliana,
you,
who's that?
Daddy.
Who's
I
that?
love you, Daddy. She's really shy.
Oo nga, shy siya.
Oh, pero sa telepono, ano ba yung sinasabi niya? Mongolowe.
Pero dun sila opposite ng daddy na. Yung daddy hindi shy.